Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to add another account in your Google Meet. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Google Meet app. Here I go. You can see that I am already logged into my account. Now to add another account in your Google Meet, you have to tap on top right corner on that profile icon, tap there. Now you have to tap on add another account option. Now tap on continue. Now you have to enter your email or phone number. Here I will be entering the email address. After you are done, you can tap on next. Now you have to enter your password of email ID. After you are done, you can tap on next. Wait for a few seconds. You can see that I have easily added another account in my Google Meet. In this way, you can also easily add another account in your Google Meet. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.